For some, driving is an action. In the INFINITI Q60, driving is a feeling. You can see it in a shape that is low, wide, and stunningly sleek. The Q60 looks to the future of Infiniti design. From the headlights to the C-pillar, it holds nothing back and gives everything to the driver. There are hundreds of ways to personalize your INFINITI Q60. Cued by the intelligent key in your pocket, Infiniti InTouch remembers every setting, getting to know you like no car you've ever driven. In the INFINITI Q60, acceleration is more than a fleeting thrill. Derived from an award-winning bloodline, a new 3-liter twin-turbo V6 offers up to 400 horsepower. Response? Feel it fast, with water-cooled air charging and next-generation electronic valve control. Power feels endless because a turbo speed sensor lets it peak higher. Add the efficiency of direct injection, and it seems limitless. In your hands, the steering wheel is a powerful tool. The Q60 gives you 3 ways to wield it, including direct adaptive steering. Working with dynamic digital suspension, it's the world's first digitally adaptive handling system. Amplify your every move. Master every corner like never before. No two roads are alike. No two drivers the same. The Q60 was made to adapt. Comfort where you need it. Sharpness when you want it. And giving you the power to choose. Adjust the suspension, steering, transmission, engine. 5 preset modes, or personal, for a truly custom drive. And a feeling that can't be measured. The all-new INFINITI Q60.